Hey guys, all right, today let's go ahead and do a quick review of this Kraus 32-inch Undermount stainless steel kitchen sink. This thing is incredible. I'm actually a contractor here in Texas, so anytime we have a client or an architect or designer ask for a recommendation on a single bowl kitchen sink, this is the one we recommend. We put in a bunch of these for clients and always had wonderful results. So we'll go over a few of the things that we love about it and some neat things that are included when they send it to you. So here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and go through a few of these features. First, let's look at the design here. This thing is a beautifully designed sink, super sleek and modern. It's got a sloped drain on the inside, so everything drains super easy right to the middle, right to your drain here. This is 16 gauge stainless steel, so it's super thick and heavy duty. This is probably our favorite feature as a contractor, as a builder. This is gonna last and last and last. We're not gonna have any problems with the clients calling us, telling us their sink has failed. You can see here you've got a couple of these added pieces and panels here. These are for additional support and for sound dampening. So this thing again is gonna be really strong and sturdy. All right, guys, another feature that we love on this sink is the basin depth. It is a full 10 inches deep, so it's going to hold all your pots and pans really well. You're not going to have any issues with overcrowding a sink. Another nice thing is that because of the basin depth, you're not going to worry about water splashing out as much. All right, guys, so there's a couple of items included here. The first one is this nice little strainer basket. It comes with the removable particle and food strainer piece, which is great. Now, a lot of the times our clients are going to put in a garbage disposal, which means that you won't actually even use the included strainer basket, but it's really nice that it comes with it for the off chance that you want to get this set up before your disposal arrives, or if you're not going to use a disposal, again, comes with it and you can set it up right away. The other included part of this sink kit that we love is this wire bottom sink basket. As you can see, it's got these little rubber feet that come with it. It keeps it standoff, and actually comes with additional rubber feet just in case you lose one or break one. This protects the bottom of your sink. It looks really, really neat. You can stack a ton of stuff in here. It's really, really strong. It's going to keep the sink from being scratched or scuffed up. You can easily take it out and remove it whenever you want to clean underneath, do a full clean, or get any particles out of that wire basket. This is a great additional feature. All right, guys, I gotta tell you, we put in a bunch of these things. These are the best kitchen sinks that we have ever installed. They look great. They perform well. They last well. They're super durable. These are a rock star. You will love them. 2 thumbs way up.